welcome back to another one of the Target Beauty Box unboxings. This is one of the February ones. There were two. There was the self-care box, or the self-love self-care box, and then there was the lip products box, which I'll also be doing that one, but today we're doing the self-care one. I love these watercolor mountains here. Wish I could paint like that. But anywho, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. So the card says, self-love. No significant other? No problem. February may be the month of romance, but you don't need a boo thing to feel the love. Instead, indulge yourself with these hand-picked products that'll give you the dose of TLC you deserve. Then it's got the usual spiel about the try 'em out and blah 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 blah. So then we've got our list of things with some info on each one. So we will dive right in. The first thing. So we've got this Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Mineral Bath Soak. Mineral contains a therapeutic blend of Epsom and sea salt, essential oils, and cooling menthol to help draw out impurities and ease tired muscles. Tip: don't have time for a full bath? Soothe just your feet in a foot bath with warm water and a handful of bath soak. That is actually a very good thought. Especially for somebody who doesn't have a bathtub, just a shower. So I may do that, actually. Because that was mostly what came to mind, was wanting to use it for my feet. Let's see here. Relief you can feel. Village Naturals Therapy offers a unique blend of powerful therapeutic ingredients specially formulated to provide fast-acting relief you can feel. Concentrated formulas and soothing menthol work together to relax your body. Whether you have sore muscles or daily tension, you'll feel the difference. So the Epsom and sea salt blend is to relax and restore. The menthol is to soothe and comfort. And the eucalyptus and spearmint is to revitalize and refresh. And then there's a little thing on here, a quote from somebody who used it. I was hoping for the relief of Epsom salts, but it offers so much more. It provides a nice cooling sensation, and I can literally feel my aches and pains drift away. Cool. So that's a thing. We've also got new Aveeno Cracked Skin Relief, Cica Balm, dimethicone skin protectant. Oh, so it should have some SPF in it, I think. Relieves cracked skin. Gentle on sensitive skin, hypoallergenic, paraben-free, steroid-free, fragrance-free. Okay, then what is Cica? Cica comes from the French word cicatrisation. Aveeno Cica Balm is formulated to intensely moisturize and help repair dry skin. Okay, we can't really get a good peeky at it without... What? Okay. So it's fairly solid in there, but there's a good amount there to test out. So I just wanted to peek at how much was in there. That's not bad, actually, for a little sample. So, the Aveeno Moisturizing Cica Balm. Moisture-rich triple oat complex helps shield skin from winter's drying effects, so you can wave goodbye to chapped, cracked skin and say hello to all-day moisturization. Okay. See, I'm already feeling better about this box than that Walmart one. Got this from the Mask Bar. Une Mask Beauty Mask Bar Silver Foil Peel Off Mask. Contains raspberry fruit extract, macadamia, turnifolia seed oil, peppermint leaf extract. Okay. Whoops, and it fell out. Let's put it back in while we talk about it. You apply a thin layer of foil, peel off mask onto cleansed skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes until the mask becomes completely dry, then gently peel off the mask in a downward motion from the outer edges and rinse off with warm water or facial toner. Sounds interesting. It really does. Let's see, what does it say about it? Peel off mask enriched with natural ingredients helps brighten and soften skin for a smooth, glowing complexion. How to apply thin layer onto cleansed skin, let sit for 15 minutes. Wait, this says 10 to 15 words. This is just like, just go for the 15 minutes until completely dry, then gently peel off in a downward motion and rinse off with warm water or toner. I still need to buy toner. I've never had it. What are these? Ooh, they're sparkly and squishy, whatever they are. Ooh. Part of me is like, are these pasties? They look too big to be pasties, but they're pretty. Look at the glitter. Look at that glitter. Oh, they're cooling gel iPads. Wow, okay. The bright-eyed. Soothe and refresh tired eyes. These cooling gel iPads may help to reduce puffiness around the eye area. Oh, so this is totally like the one I used to have as a teenager that was just like one piece. And eventually it got so old to where it dried out, but that was years and years and years ago. So good to know they still make them, even in a slightly different shape. Holy shit. Because the other one just looked like an eye mask with an elastic and everything. Oh, let's see here. 12 New York City bright-eyed cooling gel iPads deliver instant relief to soothe, refresh, and reduce the appearance of puffiness around the eye area. Place the iPads in the fridge for 1 hour or the freezer for a maximum of 30 minutes. Use AM or PM to help reduce puffiness around the delicate eye area and give peepers an instant brightening boost. I want to take them out and play with them. Because I'm a fucking child. Let's see. Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Come here, you. Come on. Out you come. Yeah, this does not open the most easily in the world. Why are they not coming out? Come on, buggers. Well, I suppose I can do it that way. Yeah, this feels like exactly like that thing used to. Oh my gosh. This is such a blast from the past for me, except this is even better. Because the other one was just green. Just plain green, no sparkly prettiness. So I can already imagine, like, the oh, even not cooled, it feels really nice. So I'm like, that could... I'm a gay pirate, check it out. But, I could definitely see where those, once they're chilled, would feel amazing. I cannot wait to try those babies out. Oh my gosh. That I am very excited for. I may be the most excited for that out of anything in this box, because they're reusable. Oh my gosh. Now I can't get the thing back closed. Close enough. Hopefully I did not just puncture the thingy. No, I didn't. I'm good. So far, I'm already like, yeah, see, this is well worth the cost of admission, whereas the Walmart one I just got ripped off on. Oh, we have another mask! I'm so happy. So many masks. Because I'm like, I think everybody had the whole same idea about wanting the face masks during this, this quarantine period, so these are amazing. This is by K-Bella Professional. Active ingredients for troublesome skin. Radiance Boost Shimmering Cream Mask. Ooh. For radiant, glowing skin. The K-Bella Professional Radiance Boost Shimmering Cream Mask helps illuminate the skin. The shea and cocoa butters help soften and moisturize the skin, whilst the shimmering particles present a radiant, bright complexion. Directions. Simply cleanse your face with warm water, then apply the mask with your fingertips, avoiding your hair, eyes, eyebrows, and lips. See, I go a step further. I generally just even avoid this little area here because it always manages to hit my lips if I try to get it there, and I'm just like, you know what? I'll just not do that until I know for sure if a mask agrees with my skin or not. When I know for sure it does, then I get a little braver about trying out that area, but just like first use, I generally avoid it for exactly that reason. Simply cleanse your face with warm water, then apply the mask with your fingertips, avoiding... Oh, wait, I just read that. Relax and enjoy for 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water and gently pat dry. Okay, keep out of reach of children, use as directed, not for use on sensitive or broken skin. We recommend testing a small quantity of mask on the inside of the upper arm prior to use. If sensitivity occurs, do not use. Avoid contact with eyes. If product gets into eyes, rinse with clean water. Oh shit. Okay, let's see what this says now. It says exactly the same thing, so... trick to get the most out of your mask. First, steam skin by taking a hot shower or placing a hot cloth over your face to open the pores. I generally do that anyway before using a mask, so that works out perfect for me. And then finally, we're down to the last two items in here. This is by Pacifica, so I'm like, ooh, we got fancy stuff in here. And dude, can we look at the hippie-delic swirlies and everything at the bottom? This is so me. Like, holy crap. I love that so much. It looks like something straight out of Yellow Submarine. So this is the Pacifica Island Vanilla Perfumed Hair and Body Mist. I need to smell this immediately because it is Island Vanilla. Looks very milky. Ooh, I can already smell it. Ooh, it smells good. Oh my gosh. First, inspired by the luscious Tahitian islands, this alcohol-free mist, really? Alcohol-free mist blends sultry vanilla with notes of honey jasmine and a touch of fruitiness to leave you smelling beautiful from head to toe, formulated without parabens, phthalates, and propylene glycol. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. I'm just going to give it a quick sniff right now. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, yum. That smells so good. That is like the perfect type of vanilla that is not too sweet or anything. It's just, oh, it's so good. Of course it is. It's Pacifica. Pacifica is always freaking amazing. So, oh, man. And they gave us a 2-ounce bottle of that in with this. I'm like, dude, I would have paid $7 for that alone. Oh my god. Oh, that's so good. And then finally, we have, where does it say it? From the brand Uni, My Om World Calming Aromatherapy Body Mist. Oh, we have 2 body mists. Okay, get this off there so I can give it a sniff too. Aromatherapy body mist made with 100% natural essential oil to help you relax, refresh, and reset wherever, whenever. And this is mindful beauty for an active life. Infuse calm into any moment with this neroli, geranium, and sage aromatherapy mist. Close eyes, mist lightly over the body. Also used as a pillow mist or a room aroma. Avoid contact with eyes. For external use only. Feel good, made with potent natural ingredients. Aroma made with natural essential oils, cruelty-free and vegan. Let's give this one a sniff. It's probably going to be very strong doing it this way. I know that this may be a mistake. Ooh, oh, I love it. Oh my god, this may be the best Target beauty box I've ever gotten so far. And that is with knowing what is in the lip product one. And I'm still saying that about this particular box. Holy crap. That is like the best combo. Of all of the months where they kind of just failed and seemed like they half-assed it, this box makes up for it hardcore. I am so stupidly happy with this one, like you have no idea right now. So, oh my goodness. If you can get your hands on this box, I highly recommend it. I know we are in May now, but I know sometimes some locations will still have the older boxes in stock, and sometimes the website will too. As well as on eBay, some people still sell them, still sealed. So you do have options for how to get this. Or, you know, just buy the full-size products that are in here, because they're pretty darn good. Just saying. Just saying. So, anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.